Custom built in an ideal North Tustin neighborhood with a backyard designed for California living, this is 1402 Smokewood Drive. It's the Odell Group's latest listing. As soon as you enter, you can see why this estate is truly a showstopper. 20-foot soaring ceilings, walls of glass, unmatched attention to detail. And in the heart of the home is your chef's kitchen with a skylight more like a glass ceiling. The more you roam, the better it gets. Day or night, all seamlessly designed with indoor-outdoor living. All that and you still haven't seen it all. So reach out so you can see for yourself why 1402 Smokewood Drive with nearly half an acre and horizon views is truly one of a kind.